The automotive industry was caught by surprise today as General Motors CEO made waves with the announcement of the 2025 Chevrolet Montana for the North American market. This strategic move directly challenges Ford's dominance in the compact pickup segment, where the Maverick has been ruling unopposed. Today, we'll dive deep into why this $25,000 compact pickup truck might be the game-changer GM needs in its lineup. The timing couldn't be better for General Motors to introduce the Montana to the American market. With the growing demand for affordable, efficient pickup trucks, and Ford struggling to meet Maverick production demands, GM is positioning itself perfectly to capture a significant market share. The 2025 Montana, which has been a success in Latin American markets, is now heading stateside with substantial upgrades and modifications specifically tailored for American consumers. Let's start with what's under the hood, because this is where GM has made some of the most significant improvements. Unlike its Brazilian counterpart that uses a modest 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, the North American Montana will feature a more robust powertrain lineup. The base model comes equipped with a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing a competitive 180 horsepower and 203 pound-feet of torque. This puts it right in the sweet spot between efficiency and performance, making it a worthy competitor to the Maverick's base power plant. But GM isn't stopping there. The company has confirmed 2 hybrid variants that will join the lineup. The standard hybrid combines a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, delivering an estimated 195 combined horsepower while achieving impressive fuel economy ratings of 45 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. These numbers notably surpass the Maverick Hybrid's efficiency ratings. The plug-in hybrid variant, which will arrive later in the model year, promises approximately 35 miles of all-electric range and an estimated 52 miles per gallon combined when operating in hybrid mode. This represents a significant leap forward in the compact pickup segment. Transmission choices have been simplified for the American market. GM has opted to equip all Montana variants with their latest 9-speed automatic transmission, optimized for both performance and efficiency. While some purists might miss the manual transmission option available in other markets, this decision aligns with current American consumer preferences and helps maximize fuel efficiency across the range. The Montana's unibody construction, based on GM's refined Global Emerging Markets (GM) platform, provides several advantages. The platform has been significantly reinforced for North American specifications, offering improved structural rigidity while maintaining the comfortable, crossover-like driving dynamics that modern buyers expect. This architecture allows for a smoother ride than traditional body-on-frame trucks, making it particularly appealing to buyers transitioning from SUVs or sedans. Exterior design is where the 2025 Montana truly shines. GM's designers have created a sophisticated yet rugged appearance that stands out in the segment. The front fascia features Chevrolet's latest design language, with a bold grille flanked by slim LED headlights and a prominent hood line that gives the truck a more substantial presence than its compact dimensions might suggest. The lower body cladding, finished in durable black plastic, not only adds visual interest, but also provides practical protection against minor scrapes and debris. The cargo bed, a crucial element for any pickup truck, has been thoughtfully designed. The Montana features a 4.5-foot multi-flex bed with a volume of 874 liters, matching its competitor's capacity. What sets it apart is the advanced water management system, which GM claims offers best-in-class weather protection for cargo. The bed comes standard with multiple tie-down points, integrated lighting, and an available power outlet. The innovative sports bar design not only adds visual appeal, but serves as a functional cargo management solution. When it comes to capability, the 2025 Montana holds its own. Standard models can tow up to 3,500 pounds, while an available max trailering package pushes that figure to 4,000 pounds. The payload capacity stands at an impressive 1,500 pounds, making it a genuinely useful tool for both weekend warriors and light commercial use. Ground clearance has been increased for the North American market, offering better off-road capability than some might expect from a unibody pickup. Inside the cabin, GM has clearly prioritized comfort and technology. The Montana features a spacious interior that comfortably accommodates 5 passengers, addressing one of the main criticisms of its competitors. The dashboard is dominated by a standard 11.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, running the latest version of Chevrolet's infotainment software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, as does a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot capability. Safety features haven't been overlooked either. The 2025 Montana comes standard with Chevy Safety Assist, which includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. Available safety options include a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert with automatic braking. The trim level structure for the North American market has been carefully considered. The base LS trim offers impressive standard features while maintaining the crucial $25,000 starting price point. The mid-level LT adds comfort features like dual-zone climate control and heated seats, while the RST brings a sport-themed appearance package with unique wheels and blacked-out trim. The range-topping Premier trim includes leather seating, upgraded audio, and additional technology features. Perhaps most intriguingly, GM has confirmed development of an all-electric Montana variant, though it won't be available at launch. This version is expected to utilize GM's Ultium battery technology, with a target range of over 250 miles and quick charging capability. While pricing for the electric variant hasn't been announced, it's expected to maintain the Montana's value proposition while offering the benefits of electric propulsion. Production of the 2025 Chevrolet Montana for North America will begin in late 2024 at GM's Ramos Arizpe plant in Mexico, which has received significant upgrades to handle the expected volume. Initial deliveries are scheduled to begin in the first quarter of 2025, with hybrid variants following shortly after. With a starting price of $25,000 for the base LS trim, the 2025 Montana positions itself as an extremely compelling option in the compact pickup segment. This aggressive pricing, combined with its impressive feature set, efficient powertrain options, and practical capability, makes it a serious challenger to the Ford Maverick's dominance. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, GM's decision to bring the Montana to North America appears to be perfectly timed to capture the growing demand for efficient, affordable pickup trucks. The 2025 Chevrolet Montana represents more than just a new product entry for GM. It's a clear statement that the company is serious about competing in every segment of the truck market. With its combination of efficiency, technology, and value, the Montana has the potential to reshape the compact pickup truck segment and bring new buyers into the Chevrolet family. Before you go, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.